At shooting guard, jersey number 8, Mark Kevin Alog. At shooting guard, wearing jersey number 17, Jeffrey Arojo. At small forward, wearing jersey number 2, the sharpshooter, Ferdinand Asuncion Jr. At power forward, wearing jersey number 18, Adrian Bautista. At shooting guard, wearing jersey number 16, Salman Kabugatan. At shooting guard, wearing jersey number 3, Mark Anthony Corpus. At guard, wearing jersey number 35, Jomar Damaso. At small forward, wearing jersey number 13, Haji Rasiles. At power forward, wearing jersey number 4, Alfonso Pasion. At power forward, wearing jersey number 5, Mark Kevin Rio. At shooting guard, wearing jersey number 27, John Vincent King Romero. At power forward, wearing jersey number 14, Patrick Servilla. At point guard, wearing jersey number 21, Nathaniel Soriano. At power forward, wearing jersey number 32, John Renz Tambua. And at center, wearing jersey number 6, Sander John Riparit. Team manager for Lawag is Hipolito Salva. Head coach, Dustin QC Ganay. Assistant coach, Marlon Dakiwag. Statistician, Marvins Blas. And now, we welcome your home team, Salat! At guard, wearing jersey number 1, Clarence De La Cruz. At center, wearing jersey number 7, Hazen Valencia. At guard, wearing jersey number 10, Cedric Saizon. At forward, wearing jersey number 45, Jadwin Jairo Godoy. At forward, wearing jersey number 5, Mark Edsel Garcia. At center, wearing jersey number 18, Jerry Sight. At forward, wearing jersey number 25, John Jerby Corameng. At guard, wearing jersey number 8, Christopher Ray Lutranya. At forward, wearing jersey number 2, Chairman Paulino James. At center, wearing jersey number 9, Mon Jasper Agoto. At guard, wearing jersey number 19, Romar Diza. At forward, wearing jersey number 16, Aaron Wesley Godoy. At guard, wearing jersey number 28, your MVP, Alvin Cabinyan. At forward, wearing jersey number 4, Ralph Conrad Medrano. And last but not least, at forward, wearing jersey number 13, Kaiser Enrico Burgos. Team manager for Team Sarat, Paulo Romano de la Cruz. Head coach, Jomar Agoy. Assistant coach, Ryan Platoon. And statistician, Stewart Aganon. Our officiating officials for Game 1, Crew Chief Nestor Calip. Former UAAP Finals NCAA PBL referee. Ref Judy Eda of National Referees Association and Ref Sam Lazaro of National Referees Association. Kay man listaan gaya. I-check mo yan. Hindi wala. Inyawag ko ito, i-check mo. Iyawag ko ulit. Check mo dyan ko. Lawag. Shake hands, both teams. Five minutes warm up.
Basta tayo, Sandro. Basta tayo, Sandro. Sigurado ika, ito'y magaling. Sangsang kamay sa di umili. Biyag na talin na ay manipod bantay hinggat bye-bye. Bumangon ka, duraas di masakbayan. Bumangon ka, ili apawadan. Nang runa ita, sirip ken piksal, di ka sa pulan. Sumampay man, rigat ken ditigraw. Anos ken gaget, serbisyo lata. Sigurado, bumangon tayo ken Sandro. Sigurado, bumangon tayo ken Sandro. Sigurado, ayat ken kapya. Sigurado itan, bumangon tayo kailian. Biyagen ipag sa pulan, paparuwi sa nga kailian. Nang runa itan, sirip ken pigsal, di ka sa pulan. Sumampay man, rigat ken ditigraw. Andos ken gaget, serbisyo lata. Sigurado, bumangon tayo ken Sandro. Basta tayo, Sandro. Basta tayo, Sandro. Basta tayo, Sandro. Sigurado ika, ito'y magaling. Sangsang kamay sa di umili. Biyag na talin na ay manipod bantay hinggat bye-bye. Bumangon ka, duraas di masakbayan. Bumangon ka, ili bumangon tayo pensando sigurado ayat ken kapya sigurado itan bumangon tayo kailian biyagen ipag sa pulan paparuenti sa nga kailian nang nangrunay tan sirip ken pigsal tika sa pulan sumampay man rigat ken di pigraw dos ken gagay serbisyo na ta sigurado bumangon tayo ken Sandro basta tayo Sandro
Inyong lahat.
basta
And
tayo
alam ko po, excited na po kayong lahat para sa ating CFAM Game 1 ng ating finals. Loag City versus Sarat. Ayan, talaga namang for sure. Exciting yung game na to. Kaya naman, first of all, good luck po sa ating mga players and no injuries for tonight po. Ayan, maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Miss Maurice. Looking forward to your comments on Game 2 sa Centennial Arena.
sirip ken pigsal tika sa pulan sumampay man rigat ken di pigraw anos ken gagay serbisyo lata sigurado bumangon tayo ken Sandro sigurado bumangon tayo ken Sandro sigurado ayat ken kapya sigurado itan bumangon tayo kailian biyagen ipag sa pulan paparuenti sa nga kailian nang nangrunay tan sirip ken pigsal tika sa pulan sumampay man rigat ken di pigraw dos ken gagay serbisyo na ta sigurado bumangon tayo ken Sandro
Our Friendship Athletic Meet
basta tayo
na through the leadership of Honorable Congressman Sandro Marcos, ang ating mga staff ng Congressional Office na pinangungunahan ni Mr. Ian Remigio, yung ating mga bumubo ng ating commissioner at lahat-lahat ng nandito ngayong gabi. Pasensya na po kayo at ganyan kami rito sa Sarat. Gusto namin parang sardinas ang mga tao dito sa aming Civic Center. At ako'y naniniwala na while the Friendship Athletic Meet is winding down, we are now on the first day of the championship match between Lawag City and our very own Sarat team. Palakpakan natin ang mga magtunggali ngayong gabi. At sana, maglaro po tayo. We play physical, but we never play dirty. We play like a tiger, but we need not to hurt any player. Sana, sa bandang huli, ang magwawagi ay yung most prepared team. At sana, ang magwawagi ay Sarat. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Palakpakan tayo po ni Apo Mayor Remigio Medrano for being such very supportive in this CFAM basketball tournament. for Timog. At small forward, wearing jersey number 2, Ferdinand Asuncion Jr. At power forward, wearing jersey number 18, Adrian Bautista. At guard, wearing jersey number 35, Jomar Damaso. At power forward, wearing jersey number 4, Alfonso Pasion. And at shooting guard, wearing jersey number 27, John Vincent King Romero. And now, let's meet your Team Zarat! At center, wearing jersey number 7, Hazen Valencia. At forward, wearing jersey number 45, Jadwin Jairel Godoy. At forward, wearing jersey number 5, Mark Edsel Garcia. At forward, wearing jersey number 2, German Paulino James. At guard, wearing jersey number 28, Alvin Cabinyan. Please tuck in your jersey properly. And the ball is up! Cabinyan! Blocked by Romero. Cabinyan. Godoy the jumper. Yes, sir! Godoy secures the first goal for Zarat. Damaso. Directing traffic. Slashes down the middle. The pass to Pasion, the fake. Blocked by Godoy. Godoy. Signaling the play. To Cabinyan. Cabinyan dribbling the ball. To Garcia. Valencia, labas kay Cabinyan. Valencia, down low. Miss the shot. Asuncion, nagbababa ng bola. Asuncion pa rin. To Godoy. Pasion, the pick. Did not use by Damaso. Wala. Valencia. Baseball pass to Cabinyan. Easy goal. 4-0, Zarat up by 4. Romero. Passes to Asuncion. Asuncion signaling the play. Pasion provided a screen. Did not use by Asuncion. Short jumper, wala. Rebound. Pick up by Godoy. 2 possessions, 3 possessions na walang na-score ang Lawag. Cabinyan. James, Valencia, cross-court pass, Garcia. Pinasa kay Godoy. The jumper, wala. Rebound. Ball is loose. Pick up by Damaso. Damaso nag-domina diretso. Ado! Iyon na! Cabinyan. To Garcia. Balik kay Cabinyan. James. Balik kay Cabinyan. Valencia playing low. The jump, wala. Rebound is loose. Valencia getting sound miss. Valencia pa rin. Wala mapuntahan. May nakitang foul. Foul on number 4. Passion. Pushing foul. 14 on the shot clock, 14 to shoot. Kabinyan doing the honors. Lapaso ko doon sa ilalim. Ganda naman. Yun ang dukot na legal. Romero. Signaling the play. Pasyon the screen. Used by Romero. Dominecho. Wala. Rebound. Pick up by Godoy. Pasyon. Wala pa rin. Godoy. Secures the rebound. Kabinyan. Balik kay Kabinyan. To James. To Kabinyan. Garcia. Cross-court pass. James. Drives down the middle. Walang mapuntahan. Asuncion. Dapas sa Romero. Wala. Ay! Montik na. Kabinyan. Dribbling the ball. To James. Tumira sa labas. Wala. Rebound. Agawan. Wala. Secured by Bautista. Damaso. Damaso rin. The crossover. Kick out to Asuncion. The fake. Did not take the shot. Asuncion pa rin. Step back. To Pasyon. Romero sa labas. Wala. Air ball. Godoy. Nagmamadali. Dire-diretso. Pass to Kabinyan. The jumper using the glass. Wala. Rebound. Secures by Godoy. Labas kay James. Kabinyan. 8 on the clock. Valencia. Pass to Godoy sa ilalim. The turn. Wala. Kick out to Garcia. Oh, the nick of time. What a play by Sarat. Damaso. Pasyon the screen. Damaso short jumper. Wala. Bautista the putback. Good. We are close game 6-8. Sarat up by 2. Kabinyan. To Garcia. Balik kay Kabinyan. James sa labas. Godoy playing low. Kick out to Kabinyan. Tumira sa labas. Wala. Rebound secured by Bautista. Bautista passes to Damaso. Damaso ngayon. Slices down the middle. Across over the layup. Wala. Ball is loose. Stay with Lawag. Substitution. Passion out. Rio in. 12 on the shot clock. 12 to shoot. Damaso walang mabasahan. Bautista sa labas. Labas to Asuncion. Asuncion pa rin. 5 to shoot. 4 on the shot clock. 4 to shoot. Damaso slice. Ball goes back to Sarat. Kabinyan to James. Balik kay Kabinyan. Garcia. Valencia playing low. Guarded by Rio. Cross-court pass to James. The drive. Walang mapuntahan. Kick out to Garcia. Tumira sa labas. Bang! Garcia to rebound. Damaso. Kick out to Rio. The jumper. Wala pa rin. Rebound secured by Godoy. Valencia. To Kabinyan. Corner jumper. Wala. Rebound by Asuncion to Damaso. Damaso, Dominecho, and one! Basket is good. Foul on number 2, James. Pushing. Time out, Sarat. And the first time out of the ball game was called by Sarat, although they are up 3, 11 to 8.
Yagen ipag sa pulan, paparuenti sa nga kahilyan. Nang nangunaitan, siriken pigsal, pika sa pulan, sumampay man, rigat ken di pigra. Dos ken gagay, serbisyo lata, sigurado, bumangon tayo ken Sandro. Basta tayo, Sandro. Basta tayo, Sandro. Basta tayo, Sandro.
Back to the ball game. At the line, Damaso shooting for the bonus. James. Godoy sa gitna. Garcia sa labas. Wala, rebound. Secured by Rio. Soriano to Damaso. Slices down the middle. Partially blocked. Ball stays with Luwag. 16 on the shot clock. 16 to shoot. Damaso doing the inbound. Asuncion tumira sa labas. Wala. Rebound. Damaso. Blocked by Godoy. Valencia. Ball stays with Luwag. Shot clock 14. 14 to shoot. Kalabas wala. Ball secured by Valencia. Kabinyan. To Garcia, balik kay Kabinyan. James, to Kabinyan. Kabinyan pa rin, to James. Godoy sa gitna. Valencia. Uses his body. Offensive foul. Foul on number 7, Valencia. Offensive foul. Substitution. Lotrania for Kabinyan. Sideline inbound. Soriano. Nagbababa ng bola. To Damaso. Soriano the screen. Crossover by Damaso. The shot! Yes, sir! What a play by Damaso. Lotrania. Saison. Balik kay Lotrania. To James. Almost stolen. James to Merecho. Wala. Rebound by Godoy. The putback. And one. Basket counts. Foul on number 5, Rio. At the line shooting for the bonus, Godoy. Did not complete the three-point play opportunity. Soriano. Nagbababa ng bola. Bautista the pick. Did not use by Soriano. Soriano pa rin. Alahoy na tira. And good. Lotrania. Saison. Balik kay Lotrania. To Saison. Tumira sa labas. Masyadong malakas. James na putback. Hindi pumasok pero may foul. Foul on number 18, Hacking. At the line shooting to James. Makes the lucky bounce. Split charities for James. Damaso, guarded by Godoy. Pinasa sa labas. And we're tied at 14. Lotranya to James. James pa rin. Balik kay Lotranya. Saison. Walang mapuntahan Lotranya. The drive. The kick out to Valencia. Easy to for Valencia. Damaso. Zigzagging move. Damaso pa rin. The turn. The pass. The fake. Anything but the shot. Valencia to James. Valencia sa gitna. May foul. Foul on number 21 Soriano. Hacking foul. At the line shooting to Valencia. Official score 16-14 Sarat. Sarat enjoying a 2-point lead. Valencia misses the first. Misses them both. Ball stays with Sarat. $14 on the clock. 14 to shoot. Lotranya doing the inbound. Saison. Walang mapuntahan. To James. The fake. The drive. The jumper. Wala. Rebound pick by Soriano. Soriano to Asuncion. Asuncion pa rin. Dumiretso. May nakitang foul. Foul on number 2. James. Pushing foul. Only the second team foul. Substitution. James out, Garcia in. At the line shooting to Asuncion. Asuncion misses the first. Split charities for Asuncion. Lotranya to Valencia. Valencia sa gitna. Saison nag-iisa. Rebound. Bautista. Baseball bust sa Damaso. May foul. There's the foul before the sound. Foul on number 8. Lotranya pushing foul. At the line shooting to Damaso. makes the first. Two out of two for Damaso. And just like that, Lawag is up by 1, 17-16.
Bumangon tayo, Ken Sandro. Sigurado,
We have a sellout crowd here at Sarat Auditorium.
sigurado itani. Bumangon tayo, kailian. Yagen ipag sa pulan. Pakarweli, sa nga kailian.
Aliwan Drummers, wala ba ang sample dyan?
Sirip ken pigsa, di ka sa pulan. Sumampay man, rigat ken di pigra. Andus ken gagay, serbisyo na ta. Sigurado, bumangon tayo ken Sandro. Basta tayo, Sandro. Basta tayo, Sandro.
Thank you. Back to the ball game. Second quarter. Possession arrow to Lawag. We have fresh legs for Lawag. Soriano. Rio the screen. Hindi ginamit ni Soriano. Kick to Rio, the jumper. Top of the key jumper, good for Rio. And up, Lawag up by 3, 19-16. Cabinyan signaling the play. Labas to Saison. Valencia playing low, Valencia pa rin. Foul on number 18. Hacking foul. Number 18, Bautista, second personal. Valencia makes the first. Substitution. 2 out of 2 for Valencia. Soriano, nagbababa ng bola. Soriano pa rin. Asuncion, the pick. Soriano tumira, wala. Godoy, Valencia nagmamadali. Loses the ball momentarily. Garcia sa labas, wala. Ball pick up by Asuncion. Pinasa sa kalaban. Cabinyan, dribbling the ball. Labas to Saison. Saison pa rin. Godoy, baseline. There's a foul. Foul on number 8, Alog. His first personal, second team foul Lawag. At the line shooting to Godoy. Godoy makes the first. Two out of 2 for Godoy. Technical foul number 5, Rio of Lawag, accusing finger to an official. Warning coach of Lawag for entering the court. Yun, shout out idol Gian Balmores from Cambodia. Uy. Saison makes the technical free throw. Rat Sarat watching from San Francisco. Sarat. Ayun. Okay. Kabinyan. Garcia. Valencia playing down low. Passion caught for the armbar. 14 on the shot clock, 14 to shoot. Valencia. Cross court pass to Saison. Tumira sa labas. Wala. Follow up by Kabinyan. Soriano. Nagbababa ng bola. Rio. Alog. To Asuncion. Asuncion. Walang mabundahan. Valencia secures the rebound. Godoy. Top of the key. Wala. Rebound. Damaso. Damaso pa rin. Accelerates, takes the shot, wala. Foul on number 28, Kabinyan, blocking foul. At the line shooting to Damaso. Damaso misses the first shot. Split charities for Damaso. Kabinyan. Dribbling the ball to Garcia. Balik kay Kabinyan to Saison. Kabinyan. Lead me Montele. Open to the bang! Kabinyan. 3 points. Time out, Lawag.
Paparuwi sa nga kailian ng mga laitan, siriken pigsay, ka sa pulang sumampay man.
Shout out to Jefferson Ramos watching from Bangi. Shout out Trem Donato, Gerald Basilio and Ijong Orimes from Iloilo. Shout out Ken Dandan. Shout out to Aliwan Drummers from John Christian Marcos. Okay, back to the moving. Damaso. Passion slices down the middle. Oh, Damaso. Cuts the lead to 4. Kabinyan. Saison, balik kay Kabinyan. Kabinyan pa rin. Garcia sa kabila, balik kay Kabinyan. Balik to the screen. Saison, 5 on the shot clock. Godoy, loses the ball, pick up by Soriano. Soriano, passes to Asuncion. Baseline drive, may foul. Foul on number 10, head check. Substitution, Soriano out, Romero in. Only the second team foul of Sarat. 17 on the shot clock, 17 to shoot. Romero. Cross court to Alog. Alog, tamira sa labas. Wala, rebound. Secured by Valencia. Valencia guarded by Damaso. Almost trouble. Kabinyan, tamira sa labas. Bang! Kabinyan! Asuncion. Slices down the middle. Foul on number 5. Substitution. Saison out. James in. At the line shooting to Asuncion. Makes the first. Two out of 2 for Asuncion. Kabinyan, nagbabala ng bola. To Garcia, balik kay Kabinyan. James, to Kabinyan. Godoy sa gitna, labas kay Garcia. Kabinyan, tumira sa labas. Wala, rebound secured by Asuncion. Labas to Damaso. Damaso, dumiretso. Easy through. Kabinyan, nagmamadali to Godoy, baseline drive. Almost loses the ball. Secured by Valencia. Valencia, the floater, wala pa rin. Rebound, Godoy. To Garcia. May nakitang foul, number 27, Romero, hacking foul. Team penalty. Avalanche shooting to Garcia. Garcia. Asuncion. Guarded by Garcia. Uses the screen. Asuncion pa rin. Step back. Wala. Rebound. Pick up by Garcia. Alog. The steal and the shot. And Meridi's cut down to 2. 30-28, Sarat up by 2. Garcia, Valencia playing low. Cross court. James, the reverse. What a play. Romero, dribbling the ball. Passes to Alog. Corner 3. Wala. Ball pick up by Asuncion. Pasa kay Alog. To Passion. Step back. Wala pa rin, anything but the board. Godoy. Kabinyan. Valencia. Playing low. Mohames, wala. Rebound, Alog. Damaso. Loses the ball momentarily. Damaso pa rin. Kabinyan. Godoy, the fake. The drive, the jump. Wala. Rebound. Romero. Romero pa rin. Nagmamadali. Uses his body to make space. Romero. Timeout, Sarat. Time remaining 3 minutes 37 seconds. Shout out to all the viewers sa live telecast ng CFAM Basketball Tournament.
Basta tayo, Sandro.
Digita cellphone ato nga nakasilaw pag-i-EW basit. Digita cellphone nga nakasilaw.
Sigurado ikaw.
Go Sarat, shout out watching from Brisbane, Australia. Yun.
Saw kamay sa tingin. Pero natalim na ay manikot bantay. Bawal durang asti masakbayan. Kumangkay, ilim na pangwatan. Nang nangunagta.
Back to the ball game. De La Cruz. Fresh leg for Sarat. De La Cruz. Medrano. Slices down the baseline. Ball is loose. Pick up by Alog. Soriano. To Alog. Wala. Rebound Soriano. The putback. May nakitang foul. Foul on number 4. Medrano blocking foul. Only his first foul. First personal. Pasyon. Romero. Asuncion. Dancing with Medrano, Asuncion pa rin. Foul on number 4, hand check. Penalty situation. At the line shooting to Asuncion. Shout out Chanley Rasay from Australia. Asuncion makes the first. Split charities for Asuncion. Medrano, the fake, the shot, wala. Get his own miss. Valencia, yes sir. Romero, kick out to Asuncion. Slices down the middle. Wala pa rin. Valencia secures the ball. Passes to the wrong guy. Pasyon, step back. Wala pa rin. Baseball pass to Medrano. Intercepted by Alog. Alog nagmamadali to Romero. Romero slices down the middle. The shot, wala. And good for Romero. Medrano. To De La Cruz. James. Balik kay De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Medrano. Tumira sa labas. Wala. Substitution. Passion out. Tambua in. Valencia out. Godoy in. With 1 minute 43 seconds left, Sarat enjoying a 1-point lead. 34-33. Soriano slices down the middle. Create some space. Anything but the shot. Godoy nagbaba ng bola. De La Cruz. Medrano. Block! Asuncion. Slices down the middle. Traveling.
Second time entering the court without the permission of the referee.
Technical coach of Loag entering the court without permission of the referee. Medrano taking the technical shot. Misses. De La Cruz. James. Garcia. De La Cruz, the fake. De Medrano. Step back three. Wala ba rin. Rebound. Pick up by Garcia. The jumper. Wala ba rin. Ball is loose. Asuncion secures the ball. Soriano. Asuncion. Slices down the middle. Wala ba rin. Asuncion gets his own. Asuncion pa rin. 10 on the clock. Romero, power 3, wala. Rebound, Trio. Magandang pasa pero hindi matanganan. Substitution. De La Cruz. To James. Balik kay De La Cruz. To James. Tumira sa labas. Wala. Rio. Pasa kay Soriano. Balik kay Asuncion. Deep 3. Wala. And that is our first half. Official score 34-33. Sarat. Shout out to Jefferson Ramos from Spain.
Basta tayo, Sandro. Basta tayo, Sandro. Sigurado ika.
Okay. Kasama ang Betty Sanat Polo. A player, Salay. Sa Polo. Okay, exciting to sigurado. At damaulaw. Talubay, talubay! Okay! Beto iket pangabakan nyo iti. Tumataginting na 3,000 pesos. Group yourself into 5. 5-5. Arag, 5-5. 5-5. 2-4-5. 2-4-5. Okay. Anat na, ganti team nyo. Sir? Anat na, ganti team nyo. Jaymar. Jaymar. Team Jaymar. Han na team Nagi. Han. Anat na, ganti team nyo. Team Enteng. Enteng. Nabinda sa team na ganti team Enteng. Okay, kastoy. Dakayo nga 5 tungo na nag-shoot. Okay? Deta umuna nga makashoot. Isot agbay. Agurure ti kalaban na. Okay? Ito kayo half court. Half court, half court. Ito half court. Dakayo nga 5. Tumulong kayo pala. Gipasat bola. Deta umuna nga makashoot. Okay? Shoot ka, dahil ka nasa. Okay. Agsasara na kayo. Agsasara na shoot. Okay, sino pa muna? Okay, sige. Okay. Awan di try out na, okay? Game mo sigod. Go! Almost but not quite. Next! Uy! Dandani! Hangga ba ng Rabi? May samat! Sige. Uy! Digay ng Rabi, digay ng Rabi. Ni Suda Balaeng, naging ano, tama ka shoot. Suda Balaeng. Okay. Sige. Play. Nabanan! Ayos, Dandani. Bangking. Nakapsot lata. Nakapsot lata. Nakapkapsot naman. Nabalan! Ay, Dandani. Deta. Awan. Deta yung makashoot ni. Sige, pas-pas. Oy, Dandani. Awan lata. Dayo. Awan. Oy, madi stopping. Nabalan! Awan lata. Sino makashoot? Siga? Kulak tubay. Kaya, guro na lang. Tesunaro nga 5, tesunaro. Dagi tayo may basa mag-shoot at tukukan. See you next season. Pabigsa kayo ba na? Kayam. Mapadanan mo. Sub. Masabulgot mesa nga substitute. Masabulgot mesa. Masabulgot mesa. Mesa. Okay. Deta. Mapadanan mo kita, sir. Mapadanan mo. Okay. Sige, sino ito ka? Okay. Ready? Go! Uy, ada technique na. Nay, apo aya, Diyos ko. Ay, apo. Ay, apo aya. Awan, di kayo po ng rabi. Alas 9. Ngayon, madadayon pagsusuta ng barok. Ay, di labang nanahan. Awan, magatayo. Labanan! Dandani. Adayo. Adayo. Awan lata. Nakad. Adayo. Awan. Na-rainbow unay. Na-rainbow unay. Hamo rainbow. Labanan! Na-rainbow unay. Naman! Ready. Okay. Oh, negative ito. 3-point shoot out. Ano na makashoot? Oh, sabay kayo. Ano na makashoot? Oh. Oh! Winner. Ano ba mo? Steven Cherry. Yadaw. Taga? Binaratan. Oy, taga Binaratan! Ayun! Maraming fans! Kung kaya ng lalaki, kaya din ng mga babae! Oh, masabol ko di 5 na babae! 5! First 5, no way delay! Megan! I need 5! Siyempre, asasinag tibag-shootan nyo! Hanyo dyan half court! Asasinag! O, 5! 5 na babae! 5 na babae! O, paspas! O, player DJ, makita ko! Player agad DJ! O, naka-reserve ka! Basta bumaba ka! O, duwabay! O, dyan ang kalat! O, naka-reserve ka! May sabay! I need one more! Okay, that completes the 5 contestants sa mga babae. Nagano, ma'am, kung taga ano?
Amira.
Taga? Kabuluan Sarat. Ni ma'am?
24 Binaratan. Angelina Batak.
Wow! From Batak!
Jessa Sarat.
From Sarat. O, dito iti favorite ko at the jersey na player dito. Okay, dito ako muna nga makashoot. Ito'y 3 points. Isot mga bakti. 3,000 sa Ryan. 3,000 pesos. Okay. And go! Sino? Isuna? My favorite player! Congratulations! Thank you, Sarat, for your warm accommodation. Mabuhay Sifam Tournament!
Sa nga kailya Nang nangunaitan Sirip kente sa utika sa pulan Sumampay man Rigat kendi tigrang Andus ken gagay
Ayun. 3,000! 3,000!
Okay, back to the game, third quarter. Garcia, Kabinyan. Kabinyan pa rin. Valencia, sa gitna. Offensive foul, itinawag ni ref. Foul on number 7, Valencia.
Dua?
Only the second personal of Valencia. First team foul set up. Damaso signaling the play. Damaso pa rin. Rio provided a screen. Anything but the shot for Damaso. Kabinyan. Garcia. Balik kay Kabinyan. Kabinyan. Foul on number 21, Soriano, holding foul. Soriano, third personal. Kabinyan doing the honors. 14 on the shot clock. Godoy, the fade away, wala. Rebound secured by Bautista. Soriano. Dribbling the ball. Soriano, tumira sa labas. Wala. Rebound Bautista. Torrio, the bump. Wala. Valencia. Kick out to Garcia. Tumira sa labas. Bang! Garcia, 3 points. Romero. To Soriano. Soriano pa rin. Rio the screen. Did not used by Soriano. Kick out to Rio. Rio pa rin. Walang mapuntahan. Romero. Layup by Rio. Kabinyan. Garcia. Balik kay Kabinyan. Kabinyan slices on the middle. The pass to James Garcia. Valencia. Godoy. Blocked by Rio. Foul on number 5, Rio. Substitution. Number 5, Rio, third personal. Second team foul, Lawag. 14 on the clock. Godoy. The jumper. Wala. Bautista the rebound. Bautista na rin magbabalang bola. To Rasiles. Rasiles. Walang mapuntahan. Boys loose. Pick up by Romero. Easy to for Romero. Tight at 37. Only the second deadline of the decade. Ball. Foul on number 45, Godoy. Hawking. We are tied at 47 as we enter the 7-minute 31-second of the third quarter. Romero to Bautista. Rio provided a pick. Used by Bautista. The station move. The fake. Anything but the shot. Rebound secured by Godoy. Garcia. Passes to Kabinyan. Challenge by Bautista. Ball goes back to Lawag. Medics. Kaya, kaya? Okay. The heart of a warrior. Damaso, nagbaba ng bola. Damaso pa rin. Uses his pick provided by Rio. Kick out. Pick up by Cabinyan. Cabinyan all the way. Easy to. Romero. Bautista. Romero pa rin. Rio, corner jump. Easy to for Rio. Valencia. Steps on the break. Passes to Godoy. Tauf Pegi, wala. Cabinyan. To James. Cabinyan. Garcia. Valencia down low. Short jumper. Yes, sir. Damaso. Slices down the middle. Kick out to Rasiles. Rasiles. Uses the glass. Wala. Rebound. Damaso. Foul on number 7, Valencia. Valencia number 7, third personal. 13 foul, Sarat. 14 on the clock. Damaso. To Bautista. Kick out to Romero. Romero sa labas. Wala. Rebound. Secured by James. James. Valencia. Baseline drive. Walang mabuntahan. Ball secured by Bautista. Damaso. Damaso pa rin. Slices on the middle. Wobbling. Cabinyan. Dribbling the ball. Passes to Garcia. Wobbling. Substitution. Rio out. Asuncion in. Romero, nagbababa ng bola. Rasiles. Balik kay Romero. Bautista provided a screen. Used by Romero. Kick out to Asuncion. Asuncion. Kick out to Romero. Wala pa rin. Ball secured by Valencia. Cabinyan. Valencia uses the glass. Damaso. Bautista, the screen. Shot taken by Damaso. Dikit ang laban. Hindi makalagwa ang Sarat. James, to Cabinyan. To Garcia. Balik kay Cabinyan. James, to Cabinyan. Garcia tumira sa labas. Wala. Rebound secured by Bautista. Bautista. Iniwan kay Romero. Temporary open. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Asuncion. The fake. The drive. Easy 2 for Asuncion. Third deadlock of the ball game. 43. Kabinyan. To Garcia. Balik kay Kabinyan. Thinking three ni kick out to James. Tumira sa labas. Wala. Rebound. Bautista. Asuncion. Nagbababa ng bola. Asuncion pa rin. Guarded by Kabinyan. Asuncion. Wala. Anything but the shot. Ball secured by Valencia. To Godoy. To James. Almost lost. Garcia. Baseline. Jump. Wala. Rebound. Damaso. Damaso pa rin. Kick out to Asuncion. Tumira sa labas. Wala. Inaalat si Asuncion. Kabinyan. Tumira sa labas. Bang! Kabinyan. Three. Romero. Bautista. Closely guarded by James. Bautista. Kabinyan. Passes to James. James pa rin. Balik kay Kabinyan. James. Cross-court pass. Garcia. Godoy. Pinasa pa sa gitna. And one. Foul on number 27, Romero. Substitution. Romero out, Alog in. Garcia out, Sison in. At the line shooting for the bonus, Valencia. Did not complete the three-point play opportunity. Damaso. Guarded by Sison. Damaso pa rin. Dancing with Sison. The crossover. Wala. Anything but the shot. Kabinyan nagmamadali. Iniwan pa kay Garcia. Damaso. Foul on number 10. Substitution. Rasiles out, Pasion in. Garcia out, Godoy in. At the line shooting to Damaso. Sarat up by 5. Damaso makes the first. Two out of two for Damaso. Substitution. Bautista out. Soriano in. Kabinyan. To Sison. Balik kay Kabinyan. Damere sa labas. Deep 3. Wala. Rebound. Pick up by Soriano. Soriano. To Asuncion. Deep 3. Wala pa rin. Inaalat si Asuncion. Kabinyan. Walang mapunot. Garcia. Almost lost the ball. Garcia. Sison. Damere sa labas. Wala, rebound, Pasion. To Damaso. Iniwan pa. Damaso. Foul on number 10, Sison. Hacking foul. At the line, shooting to Damaso. Makes the first. Perfect from the line for Damaso. Temporary cut down the lead to 2. Kabinyan. To Garcia. Godoy down low. Godoy pa rin. Baseline jumper. Wala. Rebound. Ball is loose. Ball stays with Sarat. 14 on the shot clock. 14 to shoot. Garcia to Saison. To Kabinyan. Kabinyan pa rin. To Saison. Godoy. Tabog tagi jumper. Yes, sir! Alog uses the glass. Shot clock is off. 6. 3 on the clock. Kabinyan, tumira sa labas. Wala. And that ends. That ends the third quarter. Official score 52-51. Sarat.
Andusken again. Serbisyo lata. Sigurado. Bumangon tayo, Ken Sandro. Basta tayo, Sandro. Basta tayo, Sandro. Basta tayo, Sandro. Siguradong ika ito'y magaling. Sangsang kamay sa tihang dilim. Biyag na talim.
Shout out to all our viewers sa live telecast ng CFAP.
Duraas di masakbayan.
Sino kaya ang mag-uwi ng grand prize na 500,000 pesos? Team Lawag ba? O Team Sarat?
Siriken pitsaw, di ka sa ulan. Sumampay man, rigat ken dibdibra. Andus ken dagen, serbisyo lata.
The Congressional Friendship Athletic Meet is brought to you by Congressman Ferdinand Alexander Sandro Marcos. Back to the ball game. Fourth quarter. Higpitan ang mga belt. Dito tayo ada high blood na. Agtumar kayon. Soriano. Give and go. Pasyon. Anything but the shot. Nag-isa si Saison. Damaso. Uy, crossover. The spin. The shot. Binababa. Pasyon gets the ball. Pasyon pa rin. Pabandang tira. Wala. Putback by Damaso. Letranya. O Garcia. Balik kay Letranya. Nulupas. Unsportsmanlike foul number 8, Sarat. Ha? Passion misses the first shot. For the tie. Wala pa rin. Ball stays with Lawag. Asuncion. Guarded by Garcia. Passion the pick. Asuncion sa labas. Bang! Asuncion rebounds! And Lawag is up by 2. Babawi kaya ang Sarat. Letranya. Slices down the middle. Iniwan pa kay Valencia. Block! Passion! To Alog. Alog. Challenge by Saison. Foul on number 10, Saison holding foul. Number 10, Saison, fourth personal. Substitution. Substitution. James for Saison. 19 on the shot clock, 19 to shoot. Soriano. To Asuncion, hihirit sa labas. Wala, rebound secured by Godoy. James picks the ball. Cabinyan to Valencia. Valencia to Cabinyan. Oy, naiwan si Valencia, easy to. Damaso. Block. Damaso pa rin. Wala. Cabinyan nagmamadali. At full speed. Wala. Rebound pick up by James. Walang mapuntahan. Cabinyan. Foul on number 2, Asuncion. Hacking foul. Substitution. Bautista for Passion. At the line shooting to Cabinyan. First throw. Pasok. Balik sa Sarat ang lamang. Matagdagan kaya. 2 out of 2 for Cabinyan. Sarat up by 2. 58-56. Soriano. Foul on number 28, Cabinyan. Only his second personal. Third team foul for Sarat. 14 on the shot clock, 14 to shoot. Soriano. To Asuncion, guarded by Garcia. Asuncion pa rin. Down the middle. Asuncion uses his strength. Valencia. To Garcia. Balik ka Valencia. May foul. Foul on number 35, Damaso. Holding foul. At the line shooting to Valencia. Valencia makes the first. Two out of 2 for Valencia. Sarat up by 2, 60-58. As we enter the final 7 minutes 15 seconds of the fourth quarter. Asuncion guarded by Garcia. Bautista Asuncion pa rin. Asuncion taking charge of the fourth quarter. Tabla na naman sa 60. The seventh deadlock of the ball game. Cabinyan. Garcia tumira sa labas. Wala. Ball is loose. Damaso. Guarded by Cabinyan. Dumiretso si Damaso. Wala. Rebound. Alok. Wala pa rin. Bautista na putback. Timeout. Sarat. Map, please, map.
Yan, yakin ipat sa pulan Paparuin, sa nga kailya Nang nangunaitan Siriken, pigsal, pika sa pulan Sumampay man, rigat ken di pigra Andus ken again Serbisyo lata
Team Lawag mag-ingay!
Umang tayo ken Sandro
Team Sarat mag-ingay!
Basta tayo Sandro Basta tayo
We have the home court advantage. Team Lawag! Team Sarat! Wala talaga. Okay, back to the ball game na po tayo. Cabinyan. Passes to James. James. Tugudoy. Cabinyan. Kick out to Garcia. Balik kay Cabinyan. Kick out to James. 5 on the clock. Cross court Garcia. Valencia with a single hand. Tabla naman tayo at 62. Neither team has a lead of double digit. Dikit na dikit ang laban. Asuncion. Bautista. Uses his strength. Uses the glass. Lawag up by 2 again. Walang gustong bumitaw. Sino kaya ang unang papalya? Cabinyan. Garcia. Balik kay Cabinyan. Stolen by Damaso. Magtuloy-tuloy na. Foul on number 28, Cabinyan. Cabinyan, third personal. 14 fouls, Sarat. Cabinyan, third personal. 14 fouls, Sarat. Warning for penalty. 19 on the clock, 19 to shoot. Soriano. Asuncion. Asuncion wanted an isolation play. Asuncion pa rin. Loses the ball. Goes back to Sarat. Cabinyan. Signaling the play. To Garcia. Valencia sa gitna. Kick out to James. The fake. The drive. Loses the ball. Alog. Yes, sir. Lawag up by 4. Valencia. Demirecho. Stolen. Alog. Slices down the defense. Wala pa rin. Soriano, the putback. And Lawal up by 6. Cabinyan, to Garcia, Rene, Valencia, walang mapuntahan, Cabinyan, free throw shot. Yes, sir. Six 64 Lawag. Rosar Damaso. Isolation play. Damaso na rin. The crossover. The floater. Uses the glass. James. Cabinyan. Valencia. Kick out to Garcia. Tumira sa labas. Wala. Rebound. Foul number 35. Holding foul. Substitution. All out. Romero in. Only the second personal of Damaso. Ball possession, Sarat. Time out, Sarat. Dagita ubing itate, pagpalikod niyo ng basit, dagita ubing. Nakikinamatan data bolo, madisgrasya, dagita ubing. Pagpalikod niyo basit natin, dagita ubing.
Serbisyo lata, sigurado, bumangon tayo, Ken Sandro. Sigurado, bumangon tayo, Ken Sandro. Sigurado, ayat Ken Kapya, sigurado.
Map, sir, map.
Bumangon tayo,
Please, time up.
yan, yagen ipat sa pulan, paparuwi, sa ngakang
Kita nyo, dagita tayo ngamin. Darumyo.
nang lunaitan, siriken pigsal, pika sa pulan, sumampay man, rigat ken ditigra. Andus ken gagay, serbisyo
Okay, back to the
lata,
game.
sigurado, bumangon tayo, Ken
Sarat
Sandro.
basketball. James doing the honors. Tuguray. Labas kay James. Cabinyan. James. Balik kay Cabinyan. Valencia sa gitna. Nilabas pa Garcia. Tumira sa labas. Wala. Rebound. Secured by Bautista. Romero. To Damaso. Damaso na rin. Goes regarded by Cabinyan. Bautista, the pick. Uses by Damaso. Dalagpas. And hitting by the shot, pero may kasamang foul. Foul on number 5, Garcia, hacking foul. Out the line shooting to Bautista. Number 5, Garcia, second personal. Penalties, Team Sarat. Bautista makes the shot. The highest lead of the game so far, 71-64. Split charities for Bautista. Cabinyan. Balik kay Cabinyan. To James. Valencia. Ball intercepted. James sumira sa labas. Wala. Rebound. Soriano. Soriano slowing things down. Asuncion. Asuncion pa rin. The fade away. Wala. Rebound. Pick up by Garcia. Valencia. Slices down the middle. Get out to Cabinyan. Iniwan pa kay Cabinyan ulit. Cabinyan. Godoy tabog taki. Wala. Rebound. Secured by Soriano. Soriano. Dominacho. Soriano. Out Sarat. And we are at the final 1 minute 58 seconds of the fourth quarter. Official score 63-74. Lawag enjoying a 9-point lead. Back to the ball game. Dagita tayo po, please. Godoy, baseline drive, the spin, the shot, anything but the shot. Bautista steps on the break. To Romero, cross court to Asuncion. Team Lawag burning some time. Asuncion, deep three, air ball. Ball goes back to Lawag. Asarat. Cabinyan to Valencia. Valencia kick out. Garcia tumira sa labas. Bang! Buhay pa ang Sarat. Soriano crosses the line. Damaso closely guarded by Cabinyan. Damaso may and a foul! Basket's good! Ball Alamid. Hacking foul. At the line shooting for the bonus. Number 7, Valencia running for personal. At the line shooting for the bonus. Damaso. Completes the purple play opportunity. Valencia. Valencia ulit. Ball intercepted. Asuncion crosses the line. Dribbling with Cabinyan. Offensive foul on number 2, Asuncion. Keeping the offense. Warning number 2, Asuncion for resentment to a call. Cabinyan. Salson, balik kay Cabinyan. Garcia, step back 3. Wala, rebound. Ball stays with Sarat. Timeout, Lawag. Winner of this best of 3 championship will take home a 500,000 peso cash prize. The first runner-up will take home 250,000 pesos. And the second runner-up will take home 150,000 pesos. The remaining teams will take home 50,000 pesos each. To the ball game. Oh, pegi chepe lang po, pegi chepe lang, hindi pinalbas. Saison sa labas, wala, rebound. Bautista. Bautista crosses the line. Pinasa kay Damaso. Possession. Lawag burning the time. Five on the clock. When the most second violation shot clock. Garcia rebounds. And Lawag takes the first. Congratulations to the teams. See you on Saturday for the game 2 at Centennial Arena.